Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me and welcome back to another product reveal for Whimsy Stamps. We just had another mini release. Today I'll be sharing the new super gross and creepy zombie party 4x8 clear stamp set, and there are coordinating dies available. They are sold separately. This is a really big set. It's, as I mentioned, 4x8, and it comes with 11 images and 13 sentiments. The zombie head measures about 1 3/4 inches by 3 1/4 inches. The grass measures about 4 inches by 3/4 of an inch, and the word zombie measures 3 inches by 1 1/4 inch. The sentiments are really fun and they can be mixed and matched very easily. They are, well, hello, my little friends, pardon me, nice to meet you, and the word meet is spelled M-E-A-T. Do you happen to have a mint? Brains are yummy. Tastes better the second time. Burp, disco, zombie, then the bigger word zombie, party, and breath. So a lot of the sentiments can be mixed and matched. I think it's a great set for Halloween. I had a lot of fun playing with it. I do have 2 samples to share with you. The first sample, I did some ink blending on a panel and I incorporated it with the Slimline Haunted Graveyard die set, which was also released today. I stamped and colored the zombie head and then cut it out in the shape of a circle so it would kind of look like he was in the moon, and then all the little zombie dudes down in the graveyard are having their own little dance party. For my second sample, I only used the sentiments and paired them up with the new Zombie Faces background stamp. One thing that I totally love about this set is that the word zombie, the big one, has a coordinating die, which I think is awesome because there are so many other zombie sets available over in the Whimsy Stamps shop that this stamp set could also be used with. Anyway, that wraps up this reveal video. For more information, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.